Hello everyone, welcome to Maths class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, fractions. Children, before coming to this chapter, let us know about what is fraction. Fraction means a part of a whole object. It represents one or more equal parts of a whole object. Fraction can be written using two numbers and a line. These are some examples for fractions. The number above the line is called numerator. It tells us how many parts are taken away from the whole. This line is called a fraction bar or a division bar. The number below the line is called denominator. It tells us the total number of parts in a whole object. In this lesson, we are studying some fractions. In fraction, we divide something into equal pieces and then take sum of these pieces 4. For example, here I have a circle. So, I divided it into two equal halves or two equal parts. Then I colored one of those parts. And so, that is one half of the circle. And how can we write this? Yes, 1 by 2. That is 1 half. That is 1 and that is 2. It is 1 by 2. Here, 2 signifies that the total number of parts. And the 1 signifies that the one of them is colored. So, this is the 1 by 2 of this circle. Over here, I have a rectangle. And it was divided into two equal parts. And then I colored one of these parts. So, that is 1 half of this rectangle. And we can write it as 1 by 2. That means one part is colored out of these two parts. Or in other words, half of this rectangle is colored. Look children, this is a chalk. If you want to distribute this chalk among two friends, what can you do? Yes, we can cut it into two equal parts. Then we'll give it both of them. Thus each one will get 1 by 2 part of the whole chalk. That means each one will get half of a chalk. Now we will discuss about quarter or 1/4. When something is divided into 4 equal parts, we call them fourths or quarters. One part out of 4 equal parts is 1/4 or 1/4. We can write a quarter as 1 by 4. If you look at these shapes, this circle has been divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this shaded part is 1 out of 4 equal parts. That is 1 by 4. Even this circle, it is also being divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the colored portion is 1 out of 4 equal parts. We can write it as 1 by 4. So, remember 1/4 refers to this colored portion. Children, what is this colored portion? This diamond shape is divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this colored portion is 1 out of these 4 equal parts. So, that is 1 by 4 or a quarter. Same for this square. This is divided into 4 equal parts. And this colored portion is 1 out of 4 equal parts. That is 1 by 4 or a quarter. So, all these colored portions are 1/4 or 1 by 4. Children, here we have a square. We need to divide it into fourths. And then color how much? Can you read this fraction? 1/4. Yes, we need color 1/4. Okay. I could divide it in many different ways into fourths or 4 equal parts. Let me show you first. A usual way would be you would go this ways. And this ways you would have it divided in fourths. Here I divided like this. That is now divided into fourths. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. And now we color 1/4. I can choose any fourth. I like maybe this. So, this is 1 by 4 of this square. Children, over here, this circle is divided into 2 halves. That means 2 equal parts. And colored, what is that fraction? What do we color now? 1/2. We color 1 part of 2 parts. So, I need to color 1 part of this circle. This is 1 by 2 part of this circle or half part of this circle. Look children, here we have some shapes and tick the ones that show 1/2 or 1 by 2 of the whole shape. Children, to get 1/2 of a thing, we need to cut it 2 equal parts. Children, this triangle is divided into 2 equal parts. So, each part shows 1/2. So, children, tick it in this box. This shape shows 1/2. So, please tick it in this box. Next, this square is divided into 2 parts, but it is not as equal parts. So, it is not an half. This circle is divided into 2 equal parts. So, it shows 1/2. So, put a tick here. This shape is also divided into 2 equal parts. So, it shows 1/2. So, put a tick in this box. This shape is not divided. This shape is divided into 2 equal parts. So, tick it in this box to show 1/2. Next, tick the shapes that are divided into quarters. The first shape is circle. This shape is divided into 4 equal parts. So children, it shows the quarters. So tick it in this box. This shape is divided into 4 parts, but it is not an equal parts, or it is not quarters. This triangle is also not quarters. Children, can you shade these figures to show the given fraction? Children, can you shade this rectangle to show the fraction 1 by 4? Children, 1 by 4 means a quarter or one part of a whole shape. Here we need to divide this shape into 4 equal parts. In 1 by 4, the number 4 is the denominator. That shows the total number of parts. And the numerator 1 shows how many parts we are taking about. Here we need to shade one part out of 4 equal parts. That is 1 by 4. Can you shade this figure to show 1 by 2? Children, 1 by 2 means half or one part out of 2 equal parts. Here, this circle is divided into 2 equal parts. So, we need to shade one part out of 2 parts to show 1 by 2 fraction. This is 1 by 2 of this circle. How can you shade this figure to show the fraction 1 by 4? This figure is also divided into 4 equal parts. So we need to shade one part out of these 4 parts. This is 1 by 4 of this shape. Can you shade this figure to show the fraction 1 by 2? This shape has 2 parts. We know 1 by 2 means half part or one part out of 2 parts. So, we shade one part out of these 2 equal parts to show the fraction 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2 of this figure. Is it clear, children? Okay. Thus, the first part of this topic is over here. Your homework will be textbook page number 83. Then color the shapes in pink that are divided into 2 equal parts, and color the shapes in green that are divided into 4 equal parts. Then page number 85, tick the shapes that are divided into quarters D to F, and color the figure that show the given fractions E to H. Please try to do it yourself. Okay, thank you.